Corn nuts. There we go. Look at that. Crappie right there. Whoop whoop, Juggalo fishing fam. Welcome back to another episode of the Juggalo Fishing Posse. I am your host, as always, Gillz. And as you can see, we are back down here today at the Conneros Hydro Project Spillway area. I'm loving this place, and it's close to home, so I fish it a lot. So if you guys get tired of seeing it, I apologize, but I'm not sorry. I do apologize, but I'm not sorry about it, because I'm having a good time down here. Anyway, don't have anything specific on the agenda. I do want to try out this 360 GT search bait by the Storm brand. I picked these up from Walmart. They were a little under $5, but I don't know. I've heard some people talk good about them, so I'm gonna toss it around, see if it gets anything. Probably won't, but who knows? It still looks like a pretty decent, swim bait. So we're gonna give it a shot. First off, I'm gonna sit up here for a while, try to get me some bluegill or something, because I am gonna toss some stuff on the bottom, including some good old-fashioned night crawlers. Unfortunately, they are the Canadian variety, but we'll deal with that. It'll be fine. Alright guys, well, I'm going to take my little light action. I'm going to go over here and catch a couple of bluegill, and then we'll start our walk down there. So I'll catch you at the water. Whoop, whoop. I have seen so many of those freaking velvet ants out here. Out here in my flip-flops, I'm going to try not to get stung by that crap. Got a chunk of night crawler on a little steel hook. I'm using actual night crawlers here, so I should be able to get some bluegill and some stuff for some cut bait relatively quick. I guess we'll try this little pocket over here. There's usually a couple of small ones hanging out. Yep, took it right off the bat. There we go. This is a green sunfish. There we go. Wow. That's a bit bigger there. That, wow. It's not even a green sunfish. It's a little rock bass. That's kind of cool. Or it might be a warmouth, but I'm thinking it's one of those, hell, I can't even tell. It might be warmouth. Look at that mouth. Not gonna keep him. Both rock bass and the warmouth around here, you very seldom see them, so if we see any of those, we're gonna throw them back. Oh, little guy. What do we got? A little green sunfish. He's a little too small to keep. We're gonna let him grow a little bit. All right, let's get it out there. See if there's any bigger ones. There's something. Get up out of those weeds. There we go. That's bluegill I was looking for. He actually looks like a hybrid of some sort. He's got a long ear. There we go. All right, that's a good size. That'll be what we go with. All right, guys. Got 3 good specimen of panfish to use as cut bait. So we're gonna go ahead and walk on down. I got 2 bottom rigs and my Fluger Monarch bait caster combo. So I'm gonna go down here and probably set one of these poles up with cut bait, one with night crawler, and see what happens the quickest between the 2. I'd say I've got like 3, maybe 4 hours to fish, tops. We'll see. Anyway, come along with me and let's see if we can hook up onto something. All right, there's a bluegill on the bottom. Let's put a night crawler on the bottom. And we'll wait and watch those while we tie on our search bait. All right, night crawler's on the bottom. Let's just leave that there. And hopefully something will come along, and something substantial will come along and bite one of them. Let's get our search bait tied on. All right, so we got our GT search bait tied on. We're gonna give him a couple of casts, see if anything happens. Drag it over these rocks over here. Oh, there's a fish on there. Wow, he was so freaking tiny, I did not even feel him. Little baby channel cat. Wow, that little bitty guy. Well, thank you, Mr. Channel Cat. I don't need you though. Do I have something? Or am I stuck on a branch? What do we got? There's something. What is it? It's a damn turtle. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. A turtle, a nightcrawler. Jesus Christ. Hold still, I'll get you undone. Good Lord. Look at this crap, y'all. I can't make it up. Gotcha, buddy. And you've got my worm. Either way. Alright, guys. This right here, it's not a red-eared slider. This is called a painted turtle. You can tell by all the yellow markings and everything. Pretty species, but I'm not going after a turtle. Look at him, just sitting there with my nightcrawler in his mouth. Hold up, I'll get you. I'll get you out. Hang on. There you go, buddy. Whoosh. Come here. Down there chewing on my freaking shit. Alright. Look at there. Right in the corner of his mouth. Looks like a little baby blue. It's hard to tell with them being that juvenile. So there are catfish in here. They're just tiny ones, I guess. Well, cat number 2. I didn't have my camera on, but I'll be danged if I didn't catch another little channel cat. Hey, it's crazy. Little bitty catfish. You guys, I can't even begin to tell you how ridiculous this is, but I caught the smallest bullhead in the entire world. Like literally the smallest bullhead catfish ever. Look at that. That is the tiniest little bullhead catfish. Good Lord. Okay. It's looking like I might have to leave pretty soon because this is just getting ridiculous. It's getting dark. And I'm getting nibbled on by the smallest fish species that you can think of. Alright. Last nightcrawler is on there. And what do we got? Anything? I hope something. It ain't big, but it's something. Another tiny catfish. This one definitely a little channel. I know you guys can't see that very well. but he's there. Little channel catfish. Adios, compadre. All right. It is getting a little too dark to be filming anymore. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start packing it up and getting ready to leave. Oh, I'm tired. All right, guys. Well, not the most productive trip, but it was something good, something fun to get out of the house for a little while. Had a busy weekend. I am exhausted, and I gotta go back to work tomorrow, so yay. Anyway, absolutely nothing but a couple of turtle nibbles on the cut bait. Literally nothing happened. Yeah, just couldn't get anything. Couldn't get anything to bite it. No striper, no cats big enough to eat it. So I don't know what the deal was with the cut bait, but the worm kept getting hit constantly, like repeatedly, and I kept missing so many hook sets that I had to downsize my hook twice. I actually had 2 whole steps I had to downsize my hook, and finally I started getting some bites, and it was just little bitty tiny catfish, and we got like a trifecta of baby catfish. I think there was a little baby blue, there was a couple of little channels, and even probably the smallest little bullhead in the entire United States of America. So yeah, just that was the name of the game. I had to downsize my hook. Wasn't getting hookups. I was getting bites, but couldn't get them hooked up. And they were just pulling at my worm, stripping it off the hook. They wasn't getting the hook in their mouth. So anyway, like I said, you get that kind of stuff happening, you downsize your hook. Sometimes you even have to downsize your bait. Luckily, I didn't have to do that too much. I threaded the worm onto the hook, up the line a little bit, just to give them something, you know, a nice tasty morsel to go after. But it worked. We got a couple of handful of catfish, little bitty ones, but it was something, you know. Anything's better than nothing. I'll take anything right now. And of course, we did get a turtle, a painted turtle on the night crawler. I don't know why. I've never seen a turtle eat worm before. I don't know. A whole lot of firsts are happening to me this year, despite it being probably the worst year in the history of the freaking world. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and go head home, because I am tired, I am hungry, and I need a shower, because I stink. I really do. I stink. I smell atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. Anyway, thank you guys for coming along with me. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the footage, and if you did, please be sure to go down, hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell. It lets you know whenever we put out a new vid, so you don't have to miss any. So with that being said, as always, fam, whoop whoop, much wicked clown love, tight lines, sharp hatchets, and I'll catch you at the water next time. Whoop whoop.